The proscribed Zhelengrong United Front (ZUF) has issued a statement linking the ongoing unrest in Manipur to the influence and decisions of Nscn-Im and United Naga Council (UNC). The group alleged that recent tensions, including violent clashes and killings in the state, have been fueled by misguided policies and actions taken without adequately considering broader community safety. It claimed that these developments have worsened ethnic insecurity and led to breakdown of peace among communities. In its statement, ZUF expressed grief over reported civilian deaths, including members of Zhelengrong community, and extended condolences to the bereaved families. It also called for accountability from UNC leadership, demanding corrective steps and an apology for failed decisions that contributed to escalation of violence. The group urged the Naga public to resist decisive influences and work towards restoring harmony and coexistence in the region.